Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae, and in this episode I'm going to be doing a swatch and try on of the new Colourpop Ooh La La palette. It is so excited because I have been waiting for an all pink palette. Oh, pink is my favorite color. But anyway, if you like to see me do that, keep watching. So yeah, I went ahead and purchased this palette. It retails for $12, which isn't bad. It comes with 9 shades, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching the shades. Okay, I wasn't gonna swatch. I was just gonna go ahead and start, go ahead and start my eyes, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. I also got the descriptions of each shade. So let me pull it up on my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the description of each color. And let's start. So the first shade right here is Tickled. And it describes it as a soft opalescent pink with violet, pink, and blue glitter flip. So I'm just gonna swatch right here. I got long sleeves on. So this is Tickled. Ooh la la. So the next shade is Soft Core, which is described as a matte warm pink. Ooh la la. Alright, my hairy arm. Alright, next shade is Poodle, and it is described as a matte, vibrant, true pink. Ooh, can't really see that. Let's see. Alright, that is Poodle. So the next shade is Big Sugar, and it is described as a bright bubblegum pink with a silver sheen. Ooh la la. Oh, I love that color. Oh, that is good. Okay. So the next shade is Opulent. And it is described as a bright fuchsia with a blue sheen. So this kind of looks like the lipstick. Let me see. I have it right here in my face. Varsity Blue. Varsity Blues. And that's still a Colourpop shade. Ooh, that is Opulent. The next shade is Sandbar, and it is described as a matte neon pink. That is that palette. It's alright right there. Next color is Trove, and it is described as a matte raspberry. This is it right here. It's looking kind of, maybe it's because of where I'm placing it. Alright, the next shade is Caddy, and it is described as vibrant, deep, violent. Alright, let's see if we can make some room. Oh la la, these are pretty. They look a lot. Maybe it's because it's on camera. Oh, that tickle is bomb. Oh, ooh la la. And the last shade is Moonstruck, which is a metallic peachy gold. So I'm gonna put that on my hand. Ooh la la. Yeah, it is like a peachy gold. Definitely looking in the mirror. Oh my god, I love that tickle. I don't know if I'll use it, but I love it. Oh, that is the bomb. Ooh. $12. I don't think you can go wrong with $12, okay, for all pink palettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the demo, okay, with my eyes. I'm going to start off with the color Poodle. So I'm gonna start off with the color Poodle. Okay, okay. Alright, so this is pigmented. Very pigmented. It's a lot darker. A lot darker than I expected. It's all good. Next shade, I'm going to a Sandbar. And next shade I'm going to go to is Trove. Just this shade here. Let's try a different brush. Okay. Alright, so these pinks, like, it's probably me. I know how to damn blend. But it's like, it looks light on the camera, but like, right here in my mirror, it's actually showing up darker. So let's see. Yeah, it's not. Alright, so these things do show up a lot lighter on my camera than they do in my actual mirror. So, I don't know. Maybe I got too much light. Maybe it's too much light. I don't know. So next shade I'm going to go into is Big Sugar, and I'm going to take my finger and apply that to my lid. Oh yeah, I can see it now. I can definitely see all the shades that I used. Because it was looking like I wasn't seeing them. I guess they're not showing up in the camera. Like, if you just like pinks, if you just like pink eyeshadow, or you just looking for pink eyeshadow and you can't, you know, necessarily find pink eyeshadows, or just, you know, like me, I just like pink. So I like pink makeup. Like, I like pink eyeshadow. Like, this is definitely a go-to palette. Like, I would use this for pink looks. Like, you wouldn't have to reach for any, I don't feel like you have to reach for any other palette or anything like that to achieve like a pink eyeshadow look. Like, this definitely will take care of everything. Like, everything's right in here. Transitional colors. Got your metallics. I guess, yeah. Metallics, some shimmers. Like, everything is right here taken care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my look, and I'll be back with a surprise. Okay, I went ahead and did my liner. I'm not good at all with that wing liner. I can't stand it. It's a left-handed thing. Not for everybody, but at least for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes. Kind of wanted to do this on camera because I went and bought some lashes from Target, and they're the E.l.f. Let me see. Hold on. So I purchased the E.l.f. Luxe. Yeah, E.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit. And this is winged and bold. And this is what they look like. Winged and bold. So I'm going to remove these. So I got these from Target. I got these eyelashes from Target for $4. It's my first time using these, so let's see how they work out. Because if they look good, I'm going to purchase some more for $4. It's pretty cheap. I should have bent these a little bit because you know how new lashes are. You know how it is when you add new lashes. Gotta get a couple wears out of them. Alright. I'm about to be hitting Target back up for some more of these lashes. This is the box it came in. I'm pretty sure you done seen them in the store. I haven't because every time I go in the store, E.l.f. is always missing. Because I guess, you know, it's very affordable. So, I mean, this is probably my first time seeing these lashes. Got those on. I'm going to tell you something. E.l.f. is out here killing the game. Like, the lash band on these are fantastic. Like, now I don't know about when it's, you know, time to rewear these, but just applying them, like, it's just, oh, I'm definitely about to go back out and purchase some more of these lashes. They are everything. Like, man, E.l.f., like, they done stepped it up. Like, I don't really go into the store and, like, because, you know, sometimes you just don't have good experiences with, like, some of the drugstore brands, and you kind of just, you know, like, one bad experience will kind of keep you away. But, like, they've been serving me. Like, even with the sponge, like, I've been using that sponge ever since I purchased it. Okay, like, serving. So let's go ahead and finish off with this makeup look. So I'm gonna take this pink eyeliner I got from the beauty supply store I used before in one of my videos. Can't remember which one. I'm living for these eyelashes. I'm about to go back and get some more. It was only $4. As soon as I wake up in the morning, because it is 11 o'clock on the East Coast, 11 p.m. on the East Coast. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I'm going to take my shower, and I'm going out the door, and I'm going to get me some more of these eyelashes because I like them. So now I'm going to go back into the color, I think I'm going to go into the color Sandbar, which is right here. I'm going to put on my lower lash. I think that's all I'm going to put it. I think that's all I'm going to do. I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to take the shade Tickled right here. Can't really see it. I'm going to take that color Tickled, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear duct. So let me find a brush to use it. Find something small. Okay. So let's take Tickled. Oh my god, I love this eyeshadow. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh. Dang, Colourpop, y'all did this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing makeup because I have something for you guys out there, okay? So just give me 1 second and I'll be right back, okay? Alright, so this is my finished look. I don't know why I do that all the time. Let me stop doing that. But this is my finished look. Y'all straighten my hair. I don't usually wear my hair straightened. I don't want to straighten. I don't want any heat. But a lot of people like straight hair, so we'll please them for a little bit. But yeah, anyways, my complete look. I love this eyeshadow. Oh my god. I almost want to buy me another one, purchase another one. But I'm not going to act selfish because there's other people out there that want this palette after I just use it, okay? Okay, I'm lying. But yeah, I'm not going to be selfish. But anyway, I'm very pleased with this palette. Like, definitely 2 thumbs up. Colourpop has been releasing a bunch of products. Because I follow them on Instagram and they do release a lot of products. Like, a lot. But, I mean, like, by far, this has been the best palette that they have come out with for me to... Well, I'm not going to say it's the best palette come out today, but I just think, like, within, like, the past couple of months or so, like, this has hit the nail on the head. Like, I was so excited and so here for this pink palette because it's crazy because I was just saying to myself, gosh, somebody needs to come out with a pink palette. If not, I'm gonna be the person that comes out with the palette, okay? Like, I mean, I'm gonna come up with something. I don't know what I was gonna do, but I was gonna do something, okay? It might not been, you know, tomorrow that I come out with a palette, but I was gonna try to come out with a palette because I just love pink. But anyway, if you stuck around this long, I have something for you. So I have a giveaway, okay? I went ahead and put it in this little package right here because I didn't want to get damaged. I don't want anybody to be like, you sent me some damaged goods. But I have a giveaway for one of these Ooh La La palettes. So to enter the giveaway, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also share it with your friends. I can't see your shares, but share it. You know what I'm saying? I know you're probably thinking that's going to slim my chances, but please share it if you can. So make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, leave a comment. So as long as you leave a comment, it enters you a chance to win this palette. As long as you leave a comment, okay, it will enter you. You know, that's your entry for a chance to win this palette, is leaving a comment. And so the contest will start Saturday, October 13th, and it will end on November the 1st, okay? I'm gonna end the contest on November 1st so I can give people a chance to enter into the contest because I don't have a lot of subscribers, so I still want to be able to build up some subscribers and give people the opportunity to see the video and let them get their own opinions about this palette. Because, I mean, you really could just take my word for it because this palette is the bomb and it is only $12. So if you don't want to wait for my giveaway, you know, go ahead and purchase the palette because $12, I mean, it's worth it. But anyway, yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel again, and